How to solve x power 3 plus x is equal to 350. Find the all values of x. So we have x cube plus x, then this plus 350 take to the left side, so this will be minus 350, then is equal to 0. Now we have x cube plus x, then minus 350 can be written here plus x, then minus 350 can be written as minus 343 minus 7, then is equal to 0. Now we have x cube, then minus 343 can be written as 7 cube, then plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now here we apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. A is as x, b is as 7. So according to this formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So it will be x minus 7 times x square plus x times 7 plus 7 square. That means a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Then here we take common plus 1. So plus 1 is out of the bracket, this divided by this, that means it will be x, then minus 7 divided by plus 1, that means it will be minus 7. Bracket close is equal to 0. Now we take common x minus 7. So bracket x minus 7 is out of this bracket. So this divided by this. So this x minus 7, this x minus 7 will be cancelled. So we have x square plus x times 7, that means it will be 7x plus 7 square is same as 49. Then plus this divided by this. So this x minus 7, this x minus 7 will be cancelled. So here 1, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now we can write here x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x square plus 7x, then plus 49 plus 1, that means it will be plus 50, then is equal to 0. Now x is equal to this minus 7 take to the right side, so this will be plus 7. Or here you can apply quadratic formulas. We can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now x will be equal to minus b, that means 7, plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be 7 square, then minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 50, and then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now x will be equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square is same as 49, then minus 4 times 1 times 50, that means it will be 200, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now x will be equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 200, that means it will be minus 151, then divided by 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here x is equal to minus 7 plus square root of minus 151 is same as square root of 151 times square root of negative 1, then divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 7 minus square root of 151 times square root of negative 1, then divided by 2. Now x will be equal to here plus square root of 151 times square root of negative 1 is same as I, then minus 7 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 7 minus square root of 151, and then square root of negative 1 is same as I, then divided by 2. So we have already got three values of x. So these two values are complex values, and all real value. X is equal to 7. This is the real value of x. So our final answer will be x1 is equal to 7. This is the real value of x. Then x2 will be equal to square root of 151 I minus 7 divided by 2. Then x3 will be equal to minus 7 minus square root of 151 I divided by 2. So these are the all values of x. So this is our final answer, one real value and two imaginary values.